I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you.
Good morning, Kurt. Good morning, Kurt.
Here.
That's quite unexpected. Quite unexpected.
Just wanted to thank you for your trouble. Just wanted to thank you for your trouble. And it's the least I can do. And it's the least I can do.
Well, thank you.
Oh, I almost forgot. I thought you like this. Here we go.
These are my favorite flowers.
Really?
These are my favorite flowers.
Really? I don't know. I just something inside told me, and I just something inside told me, and I
Made my decision.
Okay.
I want to give our relationship another chance. I want to give our relationship another chance.
Oh, Mary. Oh. Is this true? Only seven's heaven. Only seven's heaven. Oh. Sorry, will you cancel the divorce? Cancel the divorce.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I will.
I promise you, I'll never betray your trust again.
I know there's nothing. Damn. What an idiot am I? Hi, doctor. I'd like to run some tests.
Hello, honey.
So, the results of your blood test are ready.
Blood? I didn't give any blood.
Yeah, you didn't. But the results show that